Menteri ka Pule ka Puthi jong ka jela ubak lakaman rumbui ulong basyan kin sapa ya ka jing Jingmut syaka high power committee ban sya ban Plie Skul ban college biang ha ka jela Naduh ka Shi Tarik Nailur habakran bagi lap thai kubor ubak lakaman rumbui ulong ba ka education department ha ka jing elang ka lolong hene ka sngi kalarai ban pha syaka committee bala khli do menteri rang ba ka jela ukan rat sangma halor ka jing pleno ya ki school ba ki college Naduh ka Shi Tarik Nailur mataw snem ka jing Plie Skul na ka ki college bat kumjuru nam ta Class 9, 10, 11, but 12 lakalong hanong kendong lani hasor kila ban pleno bat nakabenda ki class 6, 7, but 8 pat hasor kanlong kum kejingi kedu ya kinong hikai kat bah kinong kendong pat kila ban pleno.
Today we had a meeting in the education department where we have decided to recommend to the committee headed by the chief minister that the schools and college could be open from the 1st of September 2021. Our recommendation will be like this: for the college, both urban and rural, they will open, all will be open. For class 9, 10, 11 and 12, both urban and rural, they can open. 6, 7, 8 for urban school visit, and for rural they can open. And for the class 1 to class 5 for urban, we'll continue the system of online like this, but for the rural area they can start with the school visit. So this we have decided to recommend to the committee for its approval that from the 1st of September will open. Then all the modalities will be given after the approval of the high power committee.